Did you know that you already have a powerful tool to remove all the virus from your Windows PC without any antivirus? So before using any antivirus, you should use this tool. So first, you just need to go to your start menu and right click on it and click on this run option. And after that, here you need to type for MRT. So just type for MRT and click OK. And this will open the Microsoft Windows software removal, malicious software removal. So you just need to click on next. And here you'll find these three options. Quick scan, which will scan areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software. If any virus is found, then you can run a full scan. And the second option is full scan, which will scan the entire system and it will take several hours. And last is the customized scan. So if you want to check a folder or a file, you can just choose a folder and check a folder or file if the contains any virus. So we're going to choose the quick scan and click next, and it will start to run a scan of your whole computer. And after that, when it is finished, you will get a confirmation message like that. So if there is no virus, you will get like this. And if there any virus, you just have to continue with the information. So they will give you a repair option to click OK, and then you can just remove the virus from your PC. So that's it, guys. This is how easily you can find any virus and remove the virus with the malicious removal software tool. So if you learn a new thing from this channel, please subscribe and thank you for watching.